Soojin has reportedly filmed for Studio Choom ahead of solo debut. Are you excited for her debut? It's almost time for former GIDLE member Soojin's debut with her first EP, Lady, set to release on November 8 at 6 p.m. KST, 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the days leading up to the exciting debut, the soloist has been building up hype with teaser images as well as, more recently, video teasers of what appears to be a gorgeous music video. Up until now, fans have been uncertain about how much Soojin will be able to promote her debut album and on what platforms she would be appearing on. While there's still not a lot of information about that, though, some new reports have fans hopeful that she'll be able to have a lot of promotions for her new work. According to a news outlet, Soojin has reportedly already filmed a performance video of her debut title track with Studio Choom, a YouTube channel owned by Mnet that specializes in K-pop dance videos. Soojin appeared previously on the channel for a solo project back in December 2020 for their Artist of the Month series, and her performance to Got It by Marian Hill currently has over 19 million views, making it one of their most viewed videos in that series. This is the first allegedly confirmed content appearance for Soojin since she halted activities with GIDLE back in February 2021, prior to her leaving the group in August that year. She was the main dancer of the group, so expectations are high for her performance both on Studio Choom as well as on whatever other platforms she promotes Lady on. The choreography is said to show off her strong and sensual dance lines and demonstrate her unique presence. Here's how fans are reacting to the news on a Reddit post about it. Will you be tuning into Soojin's debut?